this is a bonus clip. So there will be times when your electricity goes out, right? So you have to recharge this card, right? This way to do it is to go to the management office and you have to take cash and then they'll recharge the card. But let me show you how you actually get your internet, your electricity and everything back. Well, not internet, but electricity and water back on. You have to go to the meter and place this. So let me show you. So this is the meter that you put your card in. And voila. And that's how much I have on there now. I think it went out right now, mainly because I had my AC on, which I normally don't have it on, but I put 200 on there. I had 100 on there before, and it lasted me a week. So I put 200, so that should last me 2 weeks. So today I'll go put another 100 on there just to have it charged. But yeah, this was a bonus clip that I wanted to share with y'all. And I actually waited until my electricity went out so that I could do a bonus clip to show y'all how you actually recharge or how you actually pay your electricity here in Egypt.